Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nawabi Semai. This is a no-bake vermicelli pudding. It's very easy dessert. I'm sure everyone will love this dessert. And let me show you the ingredients we need for this dessert. We need 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 1 tablespoon raisins. We need 8 to 10 seedless dates, 2 tablespoons pistachio chopped, and we need 4 tablespoons of custard powder. We need 1 liter milk. We need milk powder. We need sugar. And ghee. And we are using the fried vermicelli, the whole packet I am using. First we need to break the vermicelli into small pieces. First, I am mixing the custard powder with the 200 ml milk. Whisk it well and you can keep it aside. Heat a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can add almonds, pistachio, cashews, and roast it for like 4 minutes. Now you can add raisins and chopped dates and roast it for another 2 more minutes. Once it's done, remove from the heat and set aside. Same pan, add 1 more tablespoons of ghee and add fried vermicelli in it and roast it for 3 minutes. Add milk powder and sugar. Roast it for another 3 more minutes, and once it's ready you can remove from the heat and let it cool for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to make the custard mix. For that, heat a saucepan. I am adding 800 ml of milk and cook it until it reduces to half of its quantity. Add 6 tablespoons of milk powder and 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can add just the sugar. Instead of sugar, you can always add condensed milk. At this point, you can add the prepared custard mix and mix it well. Continue cooking until it gets a light thick consistency. Once it gets that, you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Now I'm going to set the dish in a serving dish. I'm going to add a half of the roasted vermicelli, spread it evenly. Now you can pour the custard mix on it. Spread the remaining roasted vermicelli on top and spread it evenly. Finally, we can garnish with roasted nuts. I have made this one for the individual serving, and if you have a small gathering, this will work the best. Once everything is laid, you can refrigerate for 2 hours. Yummy dessert. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.